Andrea is going to be our model today, our patient model, and Curtis is going to show us some features of the Meerkat.
So we have here today our Meerkat, which is our upright standing frame. We're going to ask Andrea to step into the Meerkat. Okay. So you want to start by securing the feet into the Meerkat. Next by the knees. And what is unique about the Meerkat? It has a ratcheting action. You can either push the lever in or you can ratchet them down. Very easy and simple. Has a Velcro for the pelvic support, followed by a safety buckle as a secondary preventative measure. We have the same ratcheting system for the pelvic support as well as the trunk support. So as you can see, an upright standing frame that supports the trunk, pelvis, knee, and foot.
Static positioning, dynamic positioning, and reactive positioning. Can you explain a little bit for the average family user what these three terms actually mean to the patient and how it benefits the patient?
The Meerkat has a unique design. As you can see, Andrea is supported by her trunk, her pelvis, her knee, and her foot, which is in what we would call a static position. So, the Meerkat has a unique design. By one knob, a toolless, easy adjustment, we can loosen this knob. We can lower the trunk support, and we can loosen it as well. And now we have a reactive stander. So by changing that positioning, now Andrea can engage her trunk.
Great catch.
To develop those core muscles.
Good catch. Good job.
So now truly dynamic. The only support we have is from the pelvis, the knee, and the foot, which will allow for optimal range of motion in your trunk. All right, so next we have, that is also unique to the Meerkat, is a rocker panel, which will allow you to change the center of gravity for the user. And the rocker panel is simply inserted in the rear of the stander. By pulling your release, you're bringing the stander on the rocker panel. So with the rocker panel in place, you're able to change the center of gravity, which will increase the dynamic feature of the stander itself. And you can also change the center of gravity if you have too much movement and you want to control that movement. You can adjust the center of gravity.
How far can we actually adjust that center of gravity?
We have 4 adjustments. We can go all the way from a plus 120 all the way down to a minus 20.
And then we come forward to this position and we assume we get a bit more forward tilt.